Students, today I am going to discuss the development of new social groups in among the third state, and also how they were convinced by the ideas of the social political philosophers and thinkers. First, the development of new social groups in the French society among the third state. In 18th century, it was developed that a richer section among the third state developed on a large scale. These were traders and merchants who became rich by selling the articles in foreign countries and also doing some other business. Actually, these merchants and traders either exported the items and also the items were bought by the richer section of the society. Except these two groups, there were professionals such as lawyers and administrative officials. These were educated persons. These rich people among the third state were of the opinion that there should be no privilege by birth to any section of the society. Means society should be free from the privileges by birth. In their view, merit of person should be preferred to the privileges. They dreamt of a society where there is freedom, all are equal in the eyes of law, all have equal opportunities. These ideas were provided to them by the political thinkers and social philosophers like John Locke, Jean Jacques Rousseau, and Montesquieu. Locke, in his book Two Treatises on Government, emphasized that there is no scope of divine and absolute rights of the monarchs. Rousseau, in his book The Social Contract, gave the idea that the government should be formed through a contract between the representatives and the people of the country. Montesquieu told that in his book The Spirit of Laws that there should be division of power among different organs of the government, means the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary must be given different work to do, and there should be no limits, no constraint on their function. In this way, the people were persuaded by the social philosophers. Of course, Montesquieu model was accepted in the USA, There was separation of powers among different organs of the government, and people were given fundamental rights guaranteed by the constitution. And such examples were cited by these political thinkers, and people, they were liked by the people in general. Their ideas spread among the people in the coffee houses, in the saloon bars. The ideas of the political thinkers became the subjects of debate, extensive debate, and through journals, magazines, and newspapers, such ideas spread among the common people too, and people read out those ideas loudly for those who did not know how to read and write. And when the people came to know that Louis XVI has increased the taxes, they became very much angry and bent upon ending of the privileges by birth. That's all for you today. Thank you.